Hey everybody, welcome back. Just a little practice with some more ways to solve equations involving right triangles. So we can use SOHCAHTOA. Only on right triangles does SOHCAHTOA problems work, unless you're doing a little bit extra higher level stuff with it. But and we've got a problem here about a road and an incline. So like you're going to go up a hill. And we know that the incline or going up the hill here is going to be at 4969. Try it over here where we have a little more room to show it. It's at a 4-degree incline for a road. I think that's fairly steep. And we're trying to figure out how much height would we be gaining there in elevation at the end. So it's like we can stand on the level here and we can use something called the clinometer to measure this angle standing at the bottom. We could look up and we could tell that that's 4 degrees. We actually can drive it or measure it and see the length, but it's a little harder to get this vertical change. So what are we dealing with here? From the opposite side there, hopefully you remember that. That away side is the opposite side. And then the longest side of this right triangle, that's always the hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse, that's SOHCAHTOA. And so we have the sine of our angle, sine of our 4 degrees, equals the opposite side, we don't know, they called it A, over the 4969. And to solve that, we're just going to multiply both sides by that 4969 to get the A all by itself. So if we multiply by this to the other side, and we take our 4969 times the 4, I'm saying times the sine of the 4 degrees, that should give us our vertical change, or they called it the altitude in the hill. So let's put that in to Savas here and see what we have. 4969 sine of 4. 4969 sine of 4. 346.619. 346.619. 346 point, and what did they say? Simplify your answer. What does that mean if I've got a decimal? A road is inclined at an angle of 4 degrees. That's right there. After driving on the road, find the driver's increase in altitude. Oh, round to the nearest foot. It says it up here. Didn't have it listed down here where we're entering at. Nearest foot, 346.62. So round that up. Since it's a 0.6 to a 7. And hopefully, there we go. Fantastic. You guys can do this too. Hopefully you're not having too much trouble with that. If you are, you can do it. Go look up some YouTube videos, search out right triangle trigonometry, SOHCAHTOA, real world problems, something to that effect. Dig into it. Just don't give up. You got this.